Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend Kaspa, see what is happening with the price of Kas, and of course what is yet to come. So last day of the month, guys, August 31st. Of course, it's midnight when I record this update. So if you're watching it, this was recorded, at midnight. But the month of August has come to an end, and we're approaching a brand new month, and a lot of people are a little hesitant about the month of September. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts as to what I personally think. So looking across the market, some coins feeling love right now, and you can see that across the board. Some are actually up quite a bit. Neo, Fetch, obviously due to some good news. Litecoin picking up some traction. Ave. So pretty much the broader market is actually in the green right now, but at the same time, a few handful coins that are in minor red. As far as Kaspa is concerned, it's actually up about 1% over the past 24 hours, which of course you'll take. Let's take a closer look though and see what is happening with Kaspa right now. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 16.74 cents, up 1% in Bitcoin and USD comparative. Market cap is back above $4 billion, currently holding very strong at that 4.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $52 million. So not bad at all in the grand scheme of things as far as the price of Kaspa is concerned. And I spoke to you guys about some specific thing yesterday, the fact that I'm noticing a little bit of a trend switch in Kaspa's price, and as of now, the fact that it's holding like this speaks for itself and kind of confirms my overall take that I shared with you guys yesterday. But anyhow, before we pull out the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's start off with this. I ask you guys, the community members, will the month of September be boring? And this was just 7 hours ago. Almost 600 votes have come in. 54% think that it is going to be a boring month, and about 32% think no, and about 14% are saying I don't care. Can Bitcoin just pump already? So let me know your personal thoughts down below, because the conversation, the tone within the markets for the month of September, as we do close out quarter three, as we close out quarter three, some people are saying that the quarter three is going to end off in a negative note, and then quarter four is going to pick up traction leading into the elections itself. And then of course depending on how it goes again, but elections could go either way, so that is also a very interesting thing that you want to be kind of keeping an eye out on for. So very, very, very important times coming ahead for ourselves. But do let me know your personal thoughts down below as to how you're looking at this. But if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it's pretty much on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. We're coming to the end of the month, so anything can happen right now. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, I've shared this in some of my other updates, in my dogs update and of course XRP update, that it's really, really important for the price of Bitcoin to actually try to close back above the 60,000 psychological key resistance before the monthly candle comes to an end. And I think if it's able to do that, that will kind of give me a confirmation that potential retest once again to $64,000 could be in play. And again, that's where I turn bullish for the broader market. But until then, we're still in the danger zone. And you guys are probably wondering, why would I say this is the danger zone? Because guys, we have, as soon as we have lost this support, we've seen pretty much 3 different retests at this support. So far we haven't lost this support, but if we end up losing the support, the price of Bitcoin does fall quite sharply. So of course that is that factor that I have in mind. But as of now, as far as Kaspa is concerned, Kaspa doesn't really care about the Bitcoin dominance index, nor does it care about Bitcoin's price, because it's holding really, really strong within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, pretty much a 3rd day in a row. And again, are we going to see Kaspa closing its daily candle above 17.3 cents? If it's able to do that, that can kind of be a very interesting thing. Again, it's only a 3% move, and I know a lot of people are probably surprised at the fact that Kaspa is having such a hard time making its way back above 3% move itself. And again, this is what I try to teach you guys. This shows you that in terms of the broader market interest, in terms of retail interest for Kaspa, it's just not there. Of course, people are used to seeing beginning of the month, there's trends, there's some trends that you need to follow. And as of now, in terms of the sentiment itself, and of course Bitcoin dominance index being this high, and Bitcoin volatility that you're noticing, the price of Kaspa is not seeing those moves that we have seen in the past. But still, picking up some traction, third day in a row in the 61.8 fib zone. The most bullish thing that you can think about is the fact that the price of Kaspa is able to get back above this key resistance and actually close this resistance into support. If it's able to do that tomorrow, so I wouldn't even say tomorrow, it's already Saturday, obviously midnight here in North America, depending where you are in North America or around the world. It's really important that we close the daily candle above this. If it's able to do that, then I do believe that Kaspa could actually start making its way up to the 38.2, possibly even the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level quite fast. You could pretty much see the importance. We have been trading below this key resistance the whole month, except this wick that we saw just about 4 to 5 days back, but never managed to stay above here. So you can start to see the importance of these levels that I'm drawing out for you guys. So we're gonna obviously pay very close attention to what happens with Bitcoin. Do let me know down below what you guys think. What are your projections? And when do you think the market is going to pick up traction once again? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.